crisp white suit, Shayna Blaze felt right at home walking into your fresh white room today.
A match.
Neil said,
Now, this does feel like a beach house.
Yes, it does.
it feels like it matches the kitchen and it feels right at home in beachside Brighton.
I think they've used the palette of materials and the curved profile really beautifully because it continues underneath here as well. You know, I mean, this is photo shoot ready. This is like if you wanted to take a shot of the perfect luxury beach home, it would look just like this.
Neil thinks the design and styling of the whole space is a very good solution.
I think this is a really appropriate continuation from the kitchen. I must admit, I wasn't quite sure where Luke and Jasmin were going to go with the living dining. I mean, I loved that kitchen last week. I think in my mind, I assumed that they might give us something that was a little bit more sort of contemporary Scandinavian. But actually what they've done here, I think, is given us a sort of a reworking of the Hamptons aesthetic, which we know is so incredibly popular in Australia.
Handshakes in the Hamptons and getting drunk in the mansions with you.
Shona thinks the room works very well with the rest of your house.
I love the dining table. I do love the plain rugs. I think it really works in here. I just love the timber on timber. It just breathes and it's airy. And that beautiful, beautiful pendant light.
And on the subject of lighting, guess what Neil would have loved to have seen in your room today?
More downlights?
No. Close, close.
Another track light?
No, close again.
Floor lamp.
Floor lamp.
A lamp. Yes.
Again, there are no lamps.
Yeah, yeah.
Not one.
And guess what Shayna would love to see in the room?
Storage.
Where do you put things? I'll just double check. I'm sure there's no doors in here, is there?
No.
No secret doors?
For you, it's storage. For me, it's lighting. And both things are being overlooked.
Full marks for styling, furnishing, and the execution was right up there this week too.
There is a lot to love in here. The textures and materials they've used are all beautiful.
But do you find it really odd that we've got a fireplace shoved in the corner?
A little.
It's not a little odd. It's a lot odd.
It's like the naughty corner you're standing in.
I'm in the naughty corner now, but I'm
Yeah.
also in the extremely hot corner. Nobody is ever going to be able to sit there.
It's quite obvious that it's in the wrong spot.
It's come at the expense of the location of a television and an artwork, which is ludicrous.
Couldn't put it in the middle?
Nah, we had to cover our plumbing stack, which was in the corner of the...
But you could have put the fireplace there and just covered the plumbing stack.
Oh, we would have had to have a dirty bulkhead up the corner then.
So that is actually a big missed opportunity and very nonsensical in terms of its placement.
I mean, and that's going to be a very, very expensive thing to rectify.
Yeah.
It is a beautiful room, but form follows function. The location of the fireplace, unfortunately, is an issue these judges simply couldn't overlook.
It's really starting to make me cook. It's wrong because it's not even comfortable to be sat next to. It's wasted visually. It's frustrating.
Often, we talk about these things and we say, look, is it going to put off a potential buyer? Yes, and often we decide no, it won't. But that is a deal breaker because a lot of people are going to walk in here, identify that it's in the wrong place, and then think to themselves, that's going to be expensive to shift.
And that's it.
Okay. No, we won't be moving the fireplace.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, no.
No, and having the TV in the corner of the room.
That's not real
Fireplace.
world.
That's not real world.
No one lives with the TV in the corner.